All right. Hey guys, this is the third video in lesson 3. So you're almost there. You're almost ready for your problem set and then your mastery check. In this segment, we're going to be dividing decimal numbers by 10, 100, and 1000 in standard form and exponential form by using a variety of methods. So instead of multiplying by 1/10, 100th, and 1000th, we're going to be dividing by those numbers and just moving across the place value chart. So don't worry about it. The first thing I want you to do is to get your place value chart, either the one in the sleeve or the one in your book, and show me 6/10. Okay, go ahead and put 6/10 in there. You can just put 6 little dots in the tenths column. And now I want to know what number is 1/10 as much as 6/10. What is 1/10 as much? Please show it on your place value chart. Okay. You might have something like this. 1/10 as much. So when we're multiplying by 1/10, we're moving over one place to the right. And now we have 6/100ths, right? Now, what number is 1/100ths as much as 6/10? So still starting with your 6/10, but now we're going to 1/100ths as much. Go ahead and use your dots and your arrows to show. Okay, so now we're over 2 jumps, 10 and 100. So 6/1000ths is 1/100ths of tenths, 6/10. Yeah, okay. Sounds confusing, but when you're looking at your place value chart, you can see it right there. Yes. Now we're going to bring the division into it. What division equation can we write to show that 6/100ths is 1/10 as much as 6/10? Okay, there's a lot of words for you, but basically what we're saying is 6/100ths is 6/10 divided by 10, right? So dividing by 10 is the same as multiplying by 1/10, right? It's the same thing. So get that in your notes, get that in your brain so that you know that when we're multiplying by 1/10, we are also dividing by 10. So we're moving from 6/10 to 6/100ths, okay? Now think about the same thing for your division equation to show 6/1000ths is 1/100ths, right? So just like what we did above, 6/10ths divided by 100 is 6/1000ths. 6/10ths divided by 10 is 6/1000ths. Okay, so we moved over on our chart by 2 places. We multiplied by 100. That's the same as dividing by 100. Okay, which is the same as dividing by 10 to the second power, right? Or 10 squared. Okay, very good. All right. Let's look at number 6 on page 46. Number 6 in your book. There we go. That's what number 6 looks like in your book. And it says use the place value chart to complete the equations. So there you see we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones divided by 1,000. And they're showing 9/1000ths. Okay, so then we just need to fill this in to match that. So once again, here's 10 to the third power. Here's 10 divided by 10 divided by 10. Basically dividing by 10 3 times, same as dividing by 10 to the third power, or dividing by 1,000, right? Let's see if I can get all 3 of my zeros in there. Okay, now what is 9 divided by 1,000 or 9 divided by 10 to the third power? We're going to move it over to the thousandths place. So that would be 9 thousandths, right? I'm just going to write it one time, but please make sure you're writing it all 3 times in your book on lesson number 6 on page 46. Okay? Sorry, it's a little messy there. 9 thousandths, and then this is 9 thousandths, and this is 9 thousandths. They're all the same answer. We're just showing it 3 different ways because we're practicing our powers here. Okay, practicing our powers. That sounds good. If you missed it, you can go ahead and rewind the video because I want to keep moving and I want to look at, we have a few more there in our practice problems. Yeah, there they are. Okay, so we have find the quotient and write it in standard form. Then write the related multiplication equation with the power of 10 expressed as a fraction. So make sure you do it both ways, or when you come for your mastery check, I'm going to send you back to work on that. All right, so 4 divided by 10. Ooh, that would be a stumper if you were in 4th grade, right? But now you know you're just looking at the ones column and you're dividing by 10, so you're going to get smaller. You're going to be moving to the right. Okay? So 4 divided by 10. I'm going to pull out my place value chart. You're welcome to use yours as well. While we're practicing, 4 is in the ones column, divided by 10. It's going to go to tenths. So that would be 4 tenths, right? And I'm writing it in standard form. But then it says, write a related multiplication equation with the power of 10 expressed as a fraction. So now instead of saying divided by 10, I'm going to say divided by, not even divided by. I'm going to say multiplied by 1/10. Where is my eraser? Oops. Sorry, didn't mean to do that. I cleared the screen. Hopefully you wrote it down already. 4 tenths. And then 4 times 1/10, because multiplying by 1/10 is the same as dividing by 10. So we're going to have the same answer for number 7. All right. Now here, 3 tenths divided by 10 to the second power, that's the same as 100, right? Divided by 100, moving 2 places to the right on your place value chart. 72 6/10 divided by 10 to the third power, that's the same as 1,000. You see the 3 there, you see the 3 zeros, you're moving 3 places to the right because you're dividing, it's going to get smaller. And don't forget to write them as a multiplication statement as well. Determine the power of 10 that makes this a true statement. So you're just going to guess and check and look at your place value chart to see which power of 10 goes there. Okay, and that's everything for our lessons for lesson 5 today, all of our videos. I want you to remember that dividing a number by 10 is the same as finding 1/10 of a number, right? Dividing by 10 is the same as finding 1/10 of a number and multiplying by 1/10, okay? All right, that was your main lesson for today. And you need to do your problem set and then your, oh, my computer's frozen. You're going to do your problem set and your mastery check. Okay, see you then. Good luck.